Hey guys, quick camera comparison today. The Panasonic Lumix L10 versus the Panasonic Lumix TX3. These two cameras are built for very different people, so let's break it down fast. The Lumix L10 is definitely the premium choice here. It's got a large micro four thirds 20.4 megapixel sensor, which means way better low-light performance, stronger dynamic range, and that beautiful blurry background effect photographers love. The lens is also impressive. A bright Leica 24 to 75 mm with an f1.7 to f2.8 aperture, so it performs really well even in darker conditions. Now the TX3 goes in a totally different direction. It has a smaller 1-inch 20 megapixel sensor, but the big advantage is that huge 15x zoom lens, going all the way from 24 to 360 mm. That makes it a fantastic travel camera for capturing everything from landscapes to distant subjects. Autofocus and video? The L10 wins easily with advanced phase detect autofocus, 4K at 120 fps, and even 5.2K open gate recording. The TX3 tops out at 4K 30 fps. So if you want top-tier image quality and a premium shooting experience, go with the Lumix L10. But if portability and massive zoom range matter more, the Lumix TX3 is still an awesome travel companion.